Hi everybody, it is the day.
It is definitely the day that we're celebrating Luna.
Hello, say hi. It is her eighth
birthday
celebration. We're doing a very intimate tea party with her closest friends.
She is a girly girl. She wanted to be a princess. She wanted to be a ballerina. She is a ballerina, and her ballet friends are coming over for this tea party. She loved the theme. We thought it was a little bit grown up, but she's like, oh my gosh, so fantastic. And here we are. Luna, what do you think?
It is fantastic. It is lovely. It is lovely. I had a great team helping me today. I'm gonna put their link down below, so check them out. It is beautiful, like my husband is saying, it's a tea party. So if you guys wanna walk around with me, I show you what we have in here as a vegan tea party.
Vegan tea party.
In here. She did a beautiful job, baby. What do you
I think so, I agree.
She did, yeah. So we have here our vegan tower, vegan donut.
Vegan donuts.
We got this from the Salty Donut here locally in Orlando. They did a fantastic job. We haven't tried them yet, but they look fluffy, they look delicious.
And that's the basic glazed donut?
Basic glaze. You know, this girl in here loves donuts, but she doesn't like too much fuss in it. Just like you, baby, just like you.
No fancy pink sprinkles and all that, just...
And L4. Blue. So we're having here some things from the food store, honestly, some vegan-friendly muffins. And then in here, this one's all the way from Miami, from the artisan. Madeleines, macaroons, a special request here from my little girl. So that's what we got going on in here. This is the setup where the girls are gonna be sitting down. Like I say, it's very intimate. We have 6 of them, counting her and her little sister, Emily. So it's gonna be fun. And then follow me around here in the kitchen. Okay, here we have like a little cheese tray. We have to set this one up in a minute. Some ricotta. We have little sandwiches,
vegan ricotta.
Finger food. Vegan ricotta, of course, almond base. Some finger food, like sandwiches, you know, making it kind of like fun for them, but also like feed them while in the process. More donuts, some cookies from the food store, more vegan delights from Miami. I think this is it for when it comes to food. Yeah, we have some little crescents. Yeah, but the little ones are called crescents.
Yes,
no?
So crescents.
Okay, we're gonna put them in the oven in a few minutes and see how they come out. This is pretty much it. We have some strawberries. I'll show you guys in a minute. I'm trying to do like a little rose base with the chocolate covering, and then some fruits. Okay, so we're gonna make some hibiscus tea already. I already make it actually in our super, look at my husband's eyes.
Super.
My super duper tea maker.
Yeah, so complicated.
Hibiscus tea for the girls, no caffeine, a nice citrus hint, a nice balance with the agave.
And it's good for your blood pressure too.
Good for the blood pressure, baby. There it goes.
Heart
the
healthy.
Doctor advice of the day. And it has a nice little color. So I think they're gonna be okay with it. Even if they don't like the taste, it looks.
And you sweeten it with agave?
With agave, yeah. So we shall see how this one tastes. Let's mix it up.
I'm not gonna critique the tea game, but we can tell, baby, you're Colombian, which is all about coffee. From the Bahamas, it's all about tea.
And agitating the tea?
You're agitating the tea, and generally speaking, you let everybody sweeten to taste.
But these are little girls.
Okay, fair enough.
So I don't want to be giving them more than they need. I'm going to balance it out for them.
We appreciate you.
I'm a good host, baby.
Fantastic.
Okay, I think this is nice and sweet. I'm ready to go. It is a rainy day today, so this is perfect. It is perfect for them too. What do you say? Oh, so pretty.
So precious.
Let's put it at the table. Yo, sí, es por el chope. Le echo a Valentina. Here, stepping out of the food station, we have a little bit of craft going on in here, like a station of craft. What do you call that?
Yeah, baby? Craft station,
craft
baby.
Station. See, I always speak backwards, but hey. This is where they're gonna be doing some nice, what do you call this? Vase? Yes?
Vase, yeah. A planter.
A planter.
For their succulents.
Yes. So their idea is that they color them with these ceramic markers. And then we're gonna be working also on some
bookmarks.
Dehydrator flowers bookmarks. I was trying to find something balanced for the age group that we have here. It's from like
sophisticated
8 to 12.
Yet fun.
Exactly, yeah.
Because they're ballet girls.
We don't wanna be too babyish, but we don't wanna be too grown up.
Oh yes, at 8 you're a preteen.
Preteen.
We've been informed.
She's super excited about being a preteen. Yeah, but I'm gonna go and get her ready, dress her up, do her hair, and we'll see you guys in a bit. babies are ready. We're gonna set them up in here for the girlies to go for it. They smell so good. They're nice and soft. I don't recall eating this brand. They're like the, what is that brand? Pillsbury, yeah, something like that. My people in the back, yeah, that's the name. I think the boys and the girls, the kids, tried them before, but I don't think I have. They look promising. They smell so good. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna try one. Why not? I gotta have to swallow this hard. Okay, guys, and girls, let's find out if this came out. This is first time in here, and this, ooh, yay. What do you think? My people in the back. How does this look like? Okay. I hear, wow, nice. We shall see. A rose, I'm gonna put them right here. So I got these molds from Amazon. I'll put the link down low. And I just honestly popped them in the freezer because I didn't have much time to wait to put them on the fridge. I kind of did them last minute, but they came in pretty okay. A lot of chocolate left over in there, but I'm not mad about it. That will be my dessert. Okay, friends, this is our final product. Looking pretty, looking rosy. It worked pretty good. Like I said, I will put the link down below. We'll go from there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Luna. Happy birthday to you. We love you. We love you, dear Luna. Happy birthday to you. Cumpleaños feliz, feliz. Te deseamos a ti. Cumpleaños, Luna mía. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Make a wish. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video.
Yes.
It's fantastic. I think my wife did an amazing job.
It was with a lot of good magic hands. Yeah. It was
Amazing work.
Amazing work the ladies did for me.
I just show up at the end to eat the goodies. And they're all plant-based.
They're plant-based. Thank you. Follow along. Subscribe. Like. We are here to keep on sharing a little bit more of insight and a little bit more of our personal life. Yes.
And thank you for coming on this journey with us. We look forward to hearing from you. Drop a like, subscribe, and comment below.
Bye-bye, friends.